In my immediate last video, this one right here, I was talking about the market coming back to the downside. You see this movement to the downside, this bearish candle, and this is a bearish engulfing pattern that engulfs this very bullish candle at resistance. And I talked about the market coming back to the downside, and that's the exact thing we are seeing right here, market coming back down on the BTC USD 1-day chart, and on the 4-hour chart here, market coming back down, approaching this level of support. And then, are you wondering why the ETH USDT market is not going aggressively to the downside compared to what we are seeing on BTC USDT? I'm going to show you that in today's video. All of these and more in today's analysis. Subscribe to this channel, don't forget to turn on the notification bell and like the video. On the 1-day chart, BTC USDT, we see the market after the Fed interest rate and the FOMC meeting last week. The market did not really go to the upside, rather we see this very resistance right at this point, resisting the market from moving to the upside. And this is a critical resistance, reason being that the market have resisted at this very area, market come back down at this level, market resist again, and then market come back to the downside. So this level is very, very important. So I am expecting the market to see come back down as we approach Wednesday, because Wednesday we have a very important data from the United States CPI. So the CPI data is going to impact on the market, but before that will happen, I am still expecting the market to move to the downside. This very level of support is very important. So watch the market coming back down, just like I mentioned in this very video that the market is going to come back down. We are still going to see the market move a little bit to the downside into this very level of critical support. Critical support in the sense that we have support right here, we have support right here, the same support repeating itself at this level. So this will not be an exception. Market will hold at this very area before we see the next move in the market. And I said if we see a breakout here on this level of support, then expect the market to come back down into this level of $24K and $25K on BTC USDT. Remember the 1-day chart. So don't look for buy opportunity right now. Market is going to sell back down, as I made mention of this last week. So on the 4-hour chart, if you look at it, market failed to create a new high. That means if you look at this level, this is a field swing in the market to the upside. So the market come back down, because if you look at it very well, market impulse, a retracement to the upside, impulse again to the downside, approaching this level of support right here is an important indication. And not only that, if you look at it, we are seeing rejection at this very area, rejection at this very area is a key thing to note that there are buyers at this very zone of support. And so therefore, I am expecting the market to come a little bit down before we see another retracement in the market. So I am expecting a retracement on the 4-hour chart, BTC USDT right now, from this area where the market is right now into this level of $27,200. This is the zone I am expecting retracement to the upside on this very level of impulse in the market. And one thing very important on the chart is the ETH USD 4-hour chart. You see, the market is not moving aggressively downward as we are seeing on the BTC USDT 4-hour chart as well. And if you notice, market is already approaching this level of support, critical support. There's the first support here, we have the second support, we have the third support, and the market is coming back down, which I believe from this area where the market is right now to this level of $1,800, market is going to retrace back to the upside. The market will just retrace a little bit and then come back to retest the level or have a field swing before the next move into the market to the upside. And a breakout here is going to definitely send the market back down. So these are what you should expect right now in the market. A breakout here, like I said, is going to send the market into this very area of support. Then one thing very important I want to talk about in today's video is, if you notice, BTC is going aggressively to the downside compared to ETH at this very point. So what that means is, if you take a short position on ETH and then another person take a short position on BTC, this person that take a short position on BTC will be in massive profit than do the processing on ETH. The reason is because the market is moving aggressively on BTC compared to we are seeing on ETH, and the reason behind that is because the ETH BTC chart is going in the direction of ETH. If you look at this chart, BTC, ETH, 4-hour chart, market is moving to the upside in the direction of ETH. That also means that ETH will have a sluggish movement for ETH USDT compared to BTC USDT. That also implies that anytime you see ETH, the market right here moving to the downside with aggressive bearish candle, it also means that ETH will be moving aggressively to the downside compared to BTC USDT. So this very comparison is very important because it tells you where to take your short position either on ETH USDT or BTC USDT as the case may be. So this is what I am expecting on the 1-day chart. Very important. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. If you have any comments, question, or you want to enroll for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the description of this video, see contact, and reach out to me immediately and learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.